Hey guys, and welcome back to 4D Dig. If you're basically trying to play Dune Awakening, and it just crashes as soon as you press the play button, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Dune Awakening not launching and get back into the game fast. And if the crashes have already caused your save files to disappear or your system is struggling with performance, I also have solutions for that. So let's jump right in. Method 1. Verify the integrity of the game files. The first thing you want to do is open up Steam, go to the library, right-click on the game, go to Properties in here, and go to Installed Files, and do Verify Integrity of Game Files. A lot of times, just straight up doing this will fix a lot of these issues. Method 2. Update display adapters. Go over to the search bar and type in Device Manager. Then expand Display Adapters, right-clicking on your GP, you hitting Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for drivers. Once you update display adapters, you can also update your graphics card drivers to ensure better compatibility and stability for games. You can go over to the NVIDIA app directly or the AMD equivalent app. Then go ahead to Drivers and choose any download if there is an update available. Restart your computer immediately afterwards and try opening Dune Awakening again. If Dune Awakening crashes and you lose your save files, or your character or backpack data disappears, or you can't load your save anymore, in some cases, it can be recovered. This is where 4D Dig Windows Data Recovery comes in. It can restore data from deleted or lost partitions, even if your PC is formatted, corrupted, or has crashed. Simply check the download link in the description and install the software. Select the drive where your game saves were stored and let it scan. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of recoverable files. Look for your save folder or files and click Recover. Remember to save the recovered files to a different drive to avoid overwriting any data. After that, place the save files back in the appropriate game folder and try loading your game again. Give it a try. And finally, if you want to go one step further and improve your overall system stability, reduce crashes caused by heavy disk load or fragmentation, and even fix stuttering and freezing during gameplay, there's another option. By cloning your system drive, migrating your OS and games to a faster SSD, or optimizing your disk partitions, you can make your PC run much more smoothly and stably. If you're a beginner, then you should try 4D Dig Partition Manager. It makes all of that easy. You can clone your system disk to a new SSD, move your system and games without reinstalling Windows with just a few clicks. If you'd like to learn more details about the cloning process, you can check out this video for a step-by-step guide. And that's it. I hope this helped you fix Dune Awakening and get back to playing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.